Okay, for more on the latest developments in the crypto sphere, let's bring in Rossco Paddison, CEO of SyncDAO. Roscoe, thanks so much for your time today.
My pleasure.
So Bitcoin passing $50,000 mark for the first time since the middle of May. It's since slightly retreated. Everyone is obviously naturally curious as to what will happen next. But what do you make of Bitcoin's recent climb?
With every push, we're going to see a retracement in price as people take profits, and especially with that May correction was mostly driven by China's crackdown on the miners. Those miners will still be looking to take some profits to secure the relocation of their miners so that they can continue their operations. I'd say that would be the main cause of the current slight retracement below the 50,000 mark. But I think overall we're in an upwards trend and we'll continue to push higher.
Yeah, okay. Do you believe then that Bitcoin can surpass its mid-April, all-time high of 64,000?
I'm cautiously confident that it can.
Cautiously confident. Okay, how soon do you anticipate or hope that can happen?
I believe that this run-up we're going to see is going to happen in the months ahead. I believe we'll see most of the action over by December, if not by February at the absolute latest.
Yeah, okay. Is there any prediction? Is there any reason for that particular time frame?
Just with previous stock to flow metrics and modeling, we've seen that patterning flow out. We're following a similar pattern to the 2010, 2013 bull run right now, where we had this mid-market correction, and following through to the higher highs, it would be following along that same patterning.
Yeah, okay. PayPal has launched crypto buying and selling in the UK, a move that was announced just yesterday, I believe. What do you make of this move?
I think it's incredible. I mean, PayPal has 403 daily active users on their platform, which brings a whole world of new consumers to crypto, which is great. With UK opening up, this will allow users there to buy and get access to the Bitcoin price action. However, they won't be able to withdraw their crypto from PayPal. So PayPal is still a little bit behind the curve when it comes to making withdrawals possible. And there are other better options out there for users. However, I'm confident that PayPal opening this up means more people will get exposure to Bitcoin ultimately.
Yeah, do we know why PayPal isn't allowing people to withdraw crypto?
PayPal is one of the behemoths in the world that's been able to operate in probably the most jurisdictions out of most financial service providers that we know. And it's an absolute patchwork of regulatory differences when you try and stitch all these different regulatory zones together. So as they step into each new zone, they've got to tread carefully so that they don't undo all their good work that they've done to date.
Okay, and just on that previous story, Visa jumping into the NFT craze, purchasing a CryptoPunk for $150,000. What does this suggest about institutional interest in NFTs?
Look, it's funny. I think NFTs are basically one of the most incredible things that we've seen in the last couple of months in crypto. It's very exciting. I actually just said today to a colleague that if IP lawyers and marketers had a love child, it likely would be NFTs. And it is showing, as we see on the screen there, CryptoPunks is these pixelated 8-bit style drawings, which really is the art of our generation right now, which is quite insane. They are being used mostly as status symbols right now, and they will open up different conversations in different communities. But overall, I think this is very bullish for institutions, given that so much of their business is driven around patents and IP law. NFTs are just beginning.
Yeah, okay. Before I let you go, is there anything else that's caught your attention of late? Any other developments in the crypto sphere?
One thing I really love, like specifically in the NFT space, there's two segments to it. One is these proof of profile picture, where people are using those CryptoPunk style images as their profile picture. But the other great space we're seeing is the explosion of the gaming sector. Recently, Axie Infinity just busted through $1 billion in total volume and transactions. So gaming and NFTs is going to be another big space to watch.
Okay, Rossco, really appreciate your time today. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.